Okay guys, so today I'm gonna start a vlog because I haven't vlogged in a while on the Muriel's Bravery channel. If you're new, please drop a like on this video and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe because that would really help the channel out. I have Sarah. She's over there. Right there. She's right there. My mom is beside me. There she is. My brother is over there. Hey.
From now on, it's Richie with a T. R-I-T-C-H.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
This is your father.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey guys, so me and Sarah and my parents are still at home. We're basically just sitting around here doing nothing. My mom's feeding the baby. And we're just basically sitting around here doing nothing. Nothing because of the fucking coronavirus. All of the stores are out of stock.
Coronavirus emergency. As fears of a pandemic continue to rise, people are scrambling to stock up on supplies, prompting some stores to start rationing how much you can buy. Steve Osunsami is outside a Target in Georgia. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning to you, George. For example, is what's happening at this Target in suburban Atlanta. They are out of face masks. Superstores like this one are selling out of these products online and in the stores because of the fears surrounding the coronavirus. There's a run on supplies this morning. Big box stores across the country are seeing the growing concern over the coronavirus here in the longest lines they've seen in years.
I'm in panic because I went to Costco and there's no water.
These are pictures posted online from various Costco's, and a line just as long outside a store in Brooklyn. At this Publix supermarket in Fort Lauderdale, they were doing double takes over this, seeing a shopper who was either kidding or taking the coronavirus fears very seriously, dressed from head to toe in a hazmat suit while getting supplies at the grocery store.
The end of the line for the toilet paper and paper towels is right here.
From coast to coast, even out in Hawaii, stores that were recently filled with bottled water, baby wipes, and toilet paper wiped empty.
We sold out the masks first, and then the hand sanitizer went a little bit after. I guess people are just real nervous about the potential spread.
One consumer research firm says that sales of dried beans are up 10%, thermometers are up 47%, hand sanitizer 73%, and none of those numbers take into account sales from the last week and a half. On their website, Kroger has announced that they will be limiting the number of sanitization, cold, and flu-related products to 5 each per order.
I think that's really good that they are limiting people so that people can't go buy the whole store and there's plenty to go around.
If a pandemic were to happen, the Department of Homeland Security says it would be helpful to have on hand a 2-week supply of water and food. And they suggest that you make sure your drug prescriptions are refilled and that you have a good supply of pain relievers, cold and cough medicines, and other non-prescription items. But some experts say that the run on products like bottled water and hand sanitizer might be a little overboard.
You don't need to be applying the hand sanitizer every 5 minutes. A small bottle in your purse or pocket should be fine to get you through several weeks. It's a respiratory virus. I don't see that it could live in our water supply, and so I don't see a reason to need to stock up on any kind of bottled water or water filters or anything like that. You can drink the water that you normally drink.
Some more advice from health officials is to buy food that you would feel like eating in the event that you got sick. Also, if they're out of hand sanitizer, buy soap instead. Any sort of soap will be just, if not more, effective. George.
Makes a lot of sense. Okay, Steve, thanks very much. I want to turn now to Dr. Ashton. He's been fielding questions from viewers on social media all morning. So what do you have?
George,
hundreds and hundreds of questions coming into our coronavirus command center now. We're going to start with Shay on Facebook, who's asking, how are people infected with coronavirus being treated, and what are the protocols right now other than stay home? We really don't know at this point. This is, right now, if you have mild symptoms, you're being managed no differently than you would, let's say, if you had influenza. And so you want to be in touch with your healthcare provider if you have one. If you don't, you want to call your local hospital or your local health department, and they can instruct you on next steps, because there is no treatment at this point. It's just supportive care, rest, stay well hydrated, and over 80% of people who are known to be infected with coronavirus resolve and get better on their own, which is really good news. The next great question, George, is from Instagram asking, can the virus get on your clothes? So whether it's clothes, money, we're hearing all these questions. Right now, that is unknown. We have no evidence that it can. And I want you to encourage you to think of this no differently than the influenza virus. We don't particularly worry about that getting on our clothes.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to tell you a few ways that you can keep yourselves from catching the coronavirus. Like, to protect yourself, wash your hands, social distancing, don't go anywhere unless it's necessary, and if you do go somewhere, bring hand sanitizer with you. Keep hand sanitizer with you at all times. Don't go anywhere unless you need to get some things from the store, or don't go anywhere unless you need to go to a doctor's appointment. Keep things clean. These 3 things will keep you from catching the coronavirus. Guys, so we are about to go to the store, but only because it's necessary. Fixing to head to the store. I've got everything I need.
With losses of 1 to almost 2%, the Dow falling 410, the Nasdaq 74, the S&P 42. For Dow investors, there was almost no place to hide. Only Microsoft finished the quarter.
Donating blood is safe and can help save lives. Cancer patients, accident victims, and so.
There's almost nobody out here. There's like literally almost nobody out here. It's crazy.
Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real! Government!
guys, so we are back from the store, from Walmart, and something I have to say is that there was next to nothing there. Like, next to nothing. Like there was nothing. There was no toilet paper, and there was barely any cleaning supplies, and there was no Clorox wipes or Clorox spray. I understand y'all are panicking over the coronavirus. No offense to anybody watching this video. I'm not trying to make anybody angry here. If you are one of those who are buying stuff in bulk, please slow down, because there are other people who need stuff too. Please be considerate of other people. There are other people who need to buy things too. If you are watching this video, please smash the like button and comment down below in the comment section what you think of this. Also, please subscribe. It's that easy. Just hit the red subscribe button underneath the video. Thanks. And I will see you in the next video.